Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're signing in and jumping straight into Gemini's settings because that's where language lives. Once signed in, tap your profile or settings icon in the top right. This opens account-level options. Make sure you're on the correct account if you have multiple, otherwise settings won't stick. Scroll until you see Language, Preferences, or General. At this stage, you're preparing the change. Do not confirm yet. You need to pick the right English variant next to avoid regional formatting mismatches. Now you'll pick the English variant because small differences matter for spelling, date formats, and tone. Tap Language, then select English. A submenu usually shows variants like English United States, English United Kingdom, or English Australia. Choose the variant that matches your preference or audience. If there's an Advanced or Regional Options button, use it to set dialect, measurement units, and voice preferences. Once done, hit Save or Apply so Gemini adapts its responses and formatting to the variant you chose. To finish, test your change by asking Gemini a simple question that reveals spelling or formatting. This confirms the variant is active. If the language didn't update, make sure you save the selection, then clear the app cache or browser cache, sign out, and sign back in to force a refresh. If it still reverts, check for account level or device language conflicts and change them to match. As a last resort, contact support. They can diagnose account sync or feature rollout issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.